Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of 2x divided by x plus 3 times 3x plus 1 dx. Okay? To solve this integral, you have to first express this rational function as the sum of partial fractions. So to do that, you write here 2x divided by x plus 3 times 3x plus 1 equal to a divided by x plus 3 plus b divided by 3x plus 1. Okay, so therefore here you should write here, therefore 2x will be equal to a times 3x plus 1 plus b times x plus 3. Okay, so therefore 2x will be equal to that will be 3ax plus a plus bx plus 3b. Okay, therefore 2x will be equal to, so let's factor x here, that will be 3a plus b times x plus a plus 3b. So therefore you can here conclude that a plus 3b is equal to 0 because we don't have a constant on this side, and 3a plus b is equal to 2. Okay, that's the coefficient of the x. Okay, so if you solve these equations, you'll get a will be equal to 3 divided by 4 and b will be equal to minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so now you should substitute these two values into this equation. Therefore here the first term will be equal to 3 divided by 4 times x plus 3 minus 1 divided by 4 3x plus 1. Okay, that's the b is minus 1 divided by 4. Therefore this integral basically will be equal to, since this term, this rational function is equal to the sum of these two partial fractions, this integral will be basically equal to the integral of this term. Okay, so now therefore the integral will be equal to integral of, so 3 divided by 4 is constant, so I take it out of the integral. 3 divided by 4 integral of dx x plus 3 minus 1 divided by 4 integral of dx 3x plus 1. Okay, so to solve this integral, you should know from table of integral that the integral of, let's say, dx divided by ax plus b is equal to 1 divided by a ln ax plus b. Okay, that you should know from table of integral. Therefore this will be equal to 3 divided by 4 ln x plus 3 minus 1 divided by 4 times here 1 divided by a is 3, so 1 divided by 3 times 1 divided by 4. Therefore this will be 1 divided by 12 ln 3x plus 1 plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.